Take control of your money and build a brighter financial future with Quicken Simplifi's powerful budgeting tools. First things first, let's get you started. If you don't already have a Quicken Simplifi account, head over to their website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process to get your financial journey underway. The absolute core of Simplifi is connecting your financial accounts. Click on Add Account and choose your bank or credit card institution. You'll be guided through a secure process to link your accounts, which automatically imports your transaction data. Once your accounts are linked, you'll see them listed here. This is where the magic happens, as Simplifi automatically categorizes most of your transactions for you. Review your imported transactions in the Transactions tab. Simplifi often does a fantastic job guessing categories, but you can easily recategorize any transaction if needed. Just click on a transaction and select the correct category from the drop-down. Now, let's dive into budgeting. Navigate to the Budgets tab. Simplifi might suggest initial budgets based on your spending, or you can start from scratch. To create a new budget, click Add Budget and then choose a category, like groceries or utilities. Set a realistic spending limit for that category. This is your guide for the month. Beyond day-to-day budgeting, Simplifi helps you reach your financial aspirations. Head to the Goals tab to set up savings goals, like a down payment for a house or a vacation fund. Define your goal, set a target amount, and a completion date. Simplifi will then help you track your progress and suggest how much you need to save regularly to achieve it. With your accounts connected and budget set, the Simplifi dashboard becomes your financial command center. You'll see clear visualizations of your spending, track your progress against budgets, and gain valuable insights into where your money is going. Start simplifying your finances today and empower yourself with the knowledge to make smarter financial decisions. Quicken Simplifi is your path to financial clarity.